Are you doing more talking or more listening? When you meet with employees, clients, or even family members, do you talk over them? Finish their sentences? Interrupt them before they have completed their thoughts? My guess is that you have done these things at some point in your life without even thinking about it. We all have. Here is the thing. You do need to think about it. Listening is not easy. Being an effective listener takes effort and practice. You have to always remember not to jump in, not to finish someone's sentence, and most importantly, not to interrupt. Being an effective listener means knowing when to be in the audience instead of at the podium. It is easy to fall into bad habits when it comes to listening. We are all busy and social media has taught us how easy it is to become distracted. Usually, we are not engaged in poor listening because we are rude. It is more likely that we have a thought in our head that we don't want to forget, so we blot it out. Or we have a eureka moment and realize an answer to the problem being discussed, so we blot it out. However, it is important to respect the other person's right to finish their thought, their argument, or their message. When you listen carefully and purposefully, you may also learn something that will help make your own response to be more effective or a better solution to a problem being discussed. Anyone who knows me knows that I love to talk. Once I get going, it's hard to stop me. But listening is an essential skill for a consultant too. If I don't listen to my clients, I can't help them. Learning to listen is a process that has made me a better person, a better consultant, a better parent, a better neighbor, you name it. The next time you find yourself in a conversation, stop, take a deep breath, take time to listen.